Hello, my nail polish fanatics, and welcome back to another sneak peek. This time it's Victorian Varnish for February 2026. We have a jam packed video. If you like sneak peeks such as this is the channel for you. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and your notification bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. For this sneak peek, we have Victorian Varnish's 3-year Indieversary, Cog of the Month, a Valentines Trio, a Nostril series polish, as well as decals. So we have a lot to unpack in this video. If you like this type of content, go ahead and give this video an enthusiastic thumbs up. It actually helps the success of this channel. Make sure you also make a comment down below in the comments section and share this with your polish family and friends. So let's get started. Okay, so as by the title and the intro, I have another sneak peek from Victorian Varnish. So let's get started. This is the first opening. I'm just opening it on camera. Looks like I've got 7 polishes. And I've got a nail art decal. So we're going to take a look at that. Let's see. Make sure I've got everything out of my PR package. Alright. We've got, in this video, we have the 3-year Indieversary, which are going to be 2 polishes. We've got the Cog of the Month along with the collectible sticker. I have the Valentines Trio. The inspiration is Dracula's Love Tale from 2025. So there's 3 polishes. And then we've got the Nostril series polish. And we also have, again, the special collaboration for the 3rd Indieversary, which is the Enchanted Goth decal. So we have that as well. And we can kind of go over that in this video as well. But we'll just take a look at it. And I'll probably do a nail art video with that decal later. So let me get these polishes in order and I'll be right back. The first one is Gleaming Gears for 3 years, the 3-year Indieversary. It is a sheer sparkling base that has a beautiful iridescent shimmer that ranges in shades through the rainbow. This is freaking gorgeous, y'all. Oh my gosh. And I wonder if this will stamp like the rest of the polishes. This is simply gorgeous. I love this. This will look great over black. It will be great on its own over another polish. I could just see the possibilities. And I am hoping, praying that, look at that. Oh my gosh. Hoping that this will actually stamp. The second one in this series is, let's see, this is a magnetic polish. This is Tinkering for 3 years. A deep blue to purple multi-dimensional magnetic that once magnetized reveals a glowy pink to violet to peach to bronze gold shimmer with micro Aurora Hollow flakies. Oh my, look at that glow, y'all. Freaking stunning. I just love her magnetics. They are just off the chain. All right, let's do the magnetic flash. Oh, look at that, y'all. Gorgeousness in a bottle. Love the reactive. magnetic factor in this polish. Love the colors, the components. Stunning. So that's the trio, a duo. They're for the 3-year anniversary. They are $12 each. Again, these will launch February 1st at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Next, we have the COG of the month. They are $12 with a collectible sticker. This is Let Your Heart Shine. And this is a lovely true purple jelly base with an array of UCC flakies that cross through the prismatic spectrum and a heaping heart full of scattered hollow flakies. This one also doubles as a great Mardi Gras vibe polish, which it really does. Can't wait to see this over black and also on its own. This is another beautiful polish. And this is the collectible sticker that comes with it. Let Your Heart Shine. And look at those little hearts, holographic hearts in the background. Once you alter the angles a bit, you see small ones, you see big ones. Let me turn the lighting. Oh, now you really turn the lighting off a little bit. Now you can really see it. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Like your hearts are just pumping and beating fast. Look at that. It's so cute. And so let me put the light back on it. This is the matching polish. Always complements the sticker. All right. Next, we have the Valentines Trio. There will be $12 each or $35 for the trio. Again, this is the inspiration from Dracula's Love Tale from 2025. The first one is I Will Drift Toward You, which is also a magnetic. This is a pink to purple to peach bronze magnetic that's once magnetized reveals a deep blue large particle shimmer with UCC ghost flakies and scattered hollow flakies. In person, I don't know if you can see this through the viewfinder, but in person, once I magnetize it, it is so glowy, even in the bottle. So let me get as much as I can off of the brush so we can give it a magnetic wave. And there you see that magnetization, the different shifts. Very pretty. Next in the collection, we have I Have Crossed Oceans of Time to Find You, which is a solar. This is described as a sheer light gray base indoors to a bright purple outdoors or UV light with an intense amount of violet to red shimmer paired with a scattered tiny particle blue shimmer with black micro flakies and ghost flakies. So I'm going to shake it up a bit and let you see what it looks like. I love the natural state of the polish. Very pretty. So let's see what it looks like with the UV light. So right now you see that it's giving you that sheer light gray base, which I like. I'm just going to do one side. And did you guys have a wonderful holiday? I hope I did, and I hope you did too. I hope you had a safe holiday. Ooh, look at that. You can see the difference. Kind of looks like the other polish a bit, the cog of the month, but different, All right. Next, and the last one out of the collection, we have Nothing But Dust and a Memory, which is a thermal. This is a bright magenta in the cold state to clear in the warm state. I love a clear transition, y'all, with small smattering of pink to purple large particle shimmer and iridescent ghost flakies in blue to black multichrome flakies and a host of rainbow ghost flakies. Pair with our silk stockings base coats for a truly magical mani in dual state. But I don't have the silk stockings base coat, but if you do, you can pair it with this. And let's open this up. Very nice. Bring that light back around a little bit so you can see. Oh, look at that big old chunk there. Very chunky. All right. And we have the Nostril series polish. She's continuing that series. This is Cupid's nose hairs. They will be $11.50 each. Cupid's nose hairs. And this is described as a clear base with an intense violet to blue shimmer, assorted sized bright berry hollow glitters, and black micro shreds. All right, can't wait to see what this looks like, and also over black. Also, stay tuned for the live swatches of these that will be coming up in the near future. Closer to February 1st, I will be swatching these so you can see these in their glory. So don't forget to stay tuned and have that notification bell on so you know when I upload new content regarding these live swatches. Okay, next for the sneak peek, we have the special collaboration for the 3rd anniversary. And this is with Enchanted Goth Decals at enchantedgothdecals.com. They've teamed up with Victorian Varnish to bring these special decals. There'll be a set of 2 sheets, set 1 and 2. They will be sold with the anniversary polishes as a set of 35. The set of 2 can be sold together would be $12, but not sold individually. So it only comes in a set of 2. And what I'm going to do is just give you a glimpse of these decals. But in another video, when I do some nail art, I will be using the Victorian Varnish stamping plates to correspond with some of these decals. So the first sheet, which is Clip Art Mani. And let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more so you can see it a little bit clearer. There we go. So of course we've got the Victorian Varnish logo. There's the number 3 for the 3rd year anniversary. We have the little Outlander. I think that's what it was. Some of these this is a bird. They're very, very detailed. Clock, and I do apologize if you hear some noise in the background. It's my son and my grandchildren, 2 grandboys. So, but these are gorgeous. I told them to be quiet, but you know, kids are going to be kids. They're not going to be quiet when we're filming. So this, I like that one. That's beautiful. So the second sheet, another Victorian Varnish logo, also the number 3. And we have different images on this one. The rabbit, fox, the dog, another clock, some women's boots, another dog, a kitty cat, a young lady, some creepy swans, another clock, ship. That's another one that we see all the time with the Victorian Varnish logo. I love the bags, the clinky animals. So those are the 2 sheets. Again, this goes with the 3rd year anniversary. And they will be a set of 2, will be $12, but they will come in the actual anniversary polishes as a set for $35 with the 2 sheets along with the polishes. So again, I will go over the instructions at a later time when I actually do mani with these polishes. With these decals. I'm going to go, and these are not in this sneak peek, but I do want to show the 2. If you have not seen these, and they are in another video, but she has 2 stamping plates. This one was designed by Pretty Fingers by Robin. This is the first one. Again, this is not in this sneak peek, but I just want you to know that they do have a couple of stamping plates on the website. Again, that Victorian Varnish logo. And that's on everything. So I like this one because it has the thick Madame mermaid. And not super duper skinny like most mermaids. Because I'm a girl, I'm a thickum. So I really like that fact that they included that type of love that ship. And here is the other stamping plate. This is the first one, which was the steampunk stamping plate. This is her first stamping plate. And so I think I'm going to just do some nail art with one of these. Maybe use that ship here. And then use this ship on some nail art, or maybe this to correspond. So we'll see what we can do. They did say that these are very delicate, so be mindful of that. But I'll go over a tutorial with using the water decals. I have used water decals before, and I will go into further detail on that later. But that is the sneak peek. Again, if you like this type of content, please give an enthusiastic thumbs up. I don't know what's going on with the algorithm here on YouTube. It's being funky. So if you could please do me a solid and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share it with your polish family and friends. Make a comment on the video itself. And also, if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe. This is a mani. This is a separate video that I was waiting on these decals to come in, and this is a separate video. So this is the mani I am wearing today. I will have a separate video up for that. So I want to thank you all for watching. Again, remember, allow the magic to take hold and watch the magic appear. And I'll see you in the next video.